Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing gear. Inspect the net for holes and confirm weights seat evenly. This prevents tangles mid-cast. Once done, coil the net into a loose, even pile in your dominant hand so it will unfurl. Position your body with knees slightly bent, weight on the back foot, and eyes on your target area. You want a smooth, balanced motion, so rehearse the arm path once or twice without throwing. This first movement sets the rhythm for the entire cast. You create a skirt by feeding a single arm length of net forward while keeping the rest in your hand. This helps the net fly open. Then lead with your non-dominant arm toward the water and follow with a wide, controlled arc of your throwing arm. Make sure to rotate your torso so the motion uses hips and shoulders, not just the wrist. When you release at chest height, snap the wrist outward to spread the net. This combination makes it open fully and land evenly. You finish by retrieving the net using the hand line, keeping steady tension so weights don't snag on structure. Once hauled, shake gently to consolidate catch. If the net hangs or tangles, stop the process. Tugging harder will only tighten knots and risk tears. Instead, work methodically to unhook debris and straighten mesh, then inspect weights and braids before another cast. Finally, make sure to rinse and hang the net to dry. This prevents rot and preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.